Fact is, can anyone be beaten up as she's alleging? Remember, she's your own Rajya Sabha MP who's making this allegation, sir.
What I'm saying, it is all cooked up. It is all manufactured. It is all deliberate. People have seen the video that she was all right. See, in fact, BJP is trying to deflect the country from what they have done to the nation, what they did in Manipur. They could not save a soldier's wife. A soldier's wife was paraded naked. BJP should explain that. BJP should explain Karnataka's MP 3000 sex videos. BJP should explain that women wrestlers had to sit on a dharna, on a protest, to get an FIR lodged against Brij Bhushan Saran Singh. Finally, BJP was so much concerned about women's security and women's safety and women's dignity that they gave final Lok Sabha ticket to Brij Bhushan Saran Singh's son. This is what they do with women's dignity.
Sir, but may I ask you though in conclusion, when I look at, for example, New Delhi, many believe this is a battle, dare I say, between the old order represented by you and the new. You're fighting a 40-year-old Basuri Swaraj, daughter of the late Sushma Swaraj. She's seen to represent the new order in the BJP. She could get the benefit possibly of her family's surname. You, on the other hand, three-time MLA representing the Aam Aadmi Party. You focusing more on local issues. She's talking national issues. Is it difficult then to take on a debutante, a fresh-faced daughter of one of the more popular politicians the country has seen in recent times?
Their very introduction had the answer. This very introduction, because my friends in BJP, I'll tell you, Congress and Aam Aadmi Party supporters, they're going to vote for me. But even the BJP supporters are saying, Somnath ji, we will vote for you because we follow dictates and instructions of Honorable Prime Minister Mr. Modi. I said, how? They said, Mr. Modi says, don't vote for dynastic politics. So dynastic politics is what getting opposed by BJP. Mr. Modi himself has been advocating that we should oppose dynastic politics. And BJP candidate is sheer product of dynastic politics, number one. Number two, the two tenure given to BJP since 2014, MP candidate of BJP has not even shown the face to the electorates. People trusted them. People gave BJP twice opportunities. I've been MLA of one of the 10 assembly constituencies, of which New Delhi parliamentary constituency consists of. And in my area, people have voted for me 3 times. Each time the margin was bigger than the previous time. 8,000, 16,000, 19,200. Fourth time they gave me all the 3 municipal councillors. I'm from IIT. I left my career. My all friends went abroad to build their careers. I left the career to remain in the country. I got educated at IIT as the taxpayers' money, and hence I committed myself to the nation. I will serve the nation. I'm a lawyer. I have dedicated myself, Rajdeep ji, completely, thoroughly, and I'm promising through your channel to your viewers and to the nation. If any whether it be unemployment, whether it be inflation, whether it be China's aggression, whether it be Pakistan policy, I have well equipped to respond to all the crises which the country may face. And I'm promising through you that in the time to come, when the government, whichever party forms the government at the center, whenever this should be the situation of the country, Somnath Bharti will stand with the decisions which will favor the nation.